Hi, last time I died, I had to charge it for like a second. I was back. Also, anyways, let me turn you guys around to my Animal Crossing. So you can see this, right? Hello, myself. I'm wonderful, yes I am. Anyways, what shall I do? Last time it died, so I'm back now. Charged it for a bit. By a bit, I mean 1 second. And it was back up by 1. Wait, is she playing? See, she's playing my instrument. And like I said, my instrument. Do you see that? Oh, come on. You might not be able to see it right now, but fine. Never mind. Let me get up. I need some clams. I'm not doing this just for nothing. I'm doing this because look, then it's in my group chat. Nobody else is online right now. I'll wait for them to be. I can't see anything, so I'm blindfolded. Anyways. Anyhow. Okay. Okay, anyway. Let's keep going. Anyways. I don't care. I don't care about anything. But right now, oh, pretty butterfly. What should I make my house into? Oh yeah. I changed my look. I'm gonna show you my old. Let me show you my old look. Come on, I know I don't really look at me. Okay, like this is my brother's house. Just come in here. What's that annoying sound? What should I change myself into? What should I change myself into? Should I change into this? No, this. I don't know. What should I change me into? No, that doesn't look like me at all. I feel like this would look like me. Kind of. That reminds me of somebody else though. And I don't want to look like anybody else. I want to be my own self. You know what? If I have to. I'm not doing that though. Maybe I can be a girl. Boy eyes, ew. Just kidding. Since I'm a girl, girls can. No. Sorry. Should I change myself to a bully? No. What should it be? What should it be? this? Ew. That's me. Look at me. Why do I have a leaf in my mouth? Who dare put a leaf in my mouth? Nah. Why do I look? I'm gonna walk out of my brother's house now. My house is ugly. He doesn't like me to do this, but Hey, stop walking. My person's glitching. Anyways, that's probably... No, that's not enough. So, any case, this is my brother's favorite tattoo. Hello, Ken. Jinx, you owe me some sweet tea. Dislike for Ken, but don't dislike me. I don't care. Anyways, Jinx, you owe me some tea. What's the latest? Nubula. Okay. Just call him a chicken. Bye. Are you gonna talk to each other? Yeah, you better walk away. Noob will turn this noob. Okay, anyways, I wouldn't say that. Let me walk in my new neighbor's house. Probably with a song, but I'm gonna show him again to just rub it all over him. Rub it all in his face. Hello. I'm not showing you his name till next episode. He's sad. I could put the pet bench here, the kettlebells over there. Oh, I guess you heard that. I'm just flexing the brain muscles. Why do you not sit still? I'm gonna put you in a prison. Yeah, that's right, you're in a prison. Yeah, you're in a prison, alright? Haha, I trapped you. One sec, I'm doing something. Sorry, guys. Moved in.
The problem is, I don't know that I want to go so far away from Raleigh. Oh, this is, let me show you the house I wanted to show you. Come here. This is the house I sent Heather the other day. I said, oh my God, it's
Okay, you ready? Here's what I'm going to show you.
Heather. I sent it to this house.
Confirm.
Okay, so it's way up near like where Easton is.
Sheldon. Hashtag Sheldon moved in. Hashtag Nudie Sheldon. Hashtag Sheldon, look at me. I'm going to be unpacking all day. So let's hang out tomorrow.
So this is the house, right? It's half. It looks like it has a breezeway.
That might do it for this video. I'll see you next time. Yay, haha.
I don't mind the two-story because it's close, but just we are not buying this house, but just bear with me, okay? It's nice, it's a little bit separate, it's a little bit...
Bye.